York 16 seer modulating condenser. Now, standing here firsthand, I know that the video is probably going to add to the sound a little bit, but this thing is actually running virtually silent. The noise you are hearing is the air coming off the top of the condenser. This unit is absolutely amazing, and we are quite pleased to install them here at JC Mechanical. John's Controls, M&A Supply here in Murfreesboro, Tennessee, all American built system, are producing a wonderful system that we truly adore installing. We have had virtually zero issues out of these particular systems, which makes us very happy and our customers even happier. This is just a short video just to show this product working. We appreciate our customers very much who let us install these systems for them. Hope you enjoyed the video.